I'm going to show you how to use a keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard, with an iPad. So I have one right here. It's iPad Air. This is it, with its folio case. So I'm going to use the keyboard here. So I've been using it for a while. It is from Anchor TC980. So you can use it as a keyboard so that you can have a desktop experience. This is the keyboard right here. Let me go ahead and connect it and see. So usage is so simple. You just have to turn it on. As long as you have full battery, it will take you for as long as 6 months. So this is the device here. So you just insert it in the correct orientation. So you just have to turn on your Bluetooth keyboard. So it turned on automatically, as you can see. When you just attach it, it is magnetic with the LED lights. So turning on, you just press FN and the delete key. So it is so simple to use. So it gives you a desktop-like experience, like on a Mac. So this is it. Everything works very fine. All the shortcuts, like on the Mac. So Command Tab. So I'm typing with this particular keyboard. I'm testing out its experience. Command Recent. Command Tab. So I'm taking notes, simple notes. Everything works very fine. So this is all you can do with the keyboard, browsing the web and also making Word documents. So all the shortcuts work normally. So this is the Apple keyboard layout. So you've got a nice finish. Everything works fine. It's fun to use a keyboard. So when you want to type documents, everything works. So let me open a new note. So the typing experience is just fun. So everything works. The keys are just fine. So I'm doing the video review of using a keyboard. One of these machines, you probably get a keyboard to improve your productivity and so on. So the case is magnetic. It provides a firm chassis and also it acts as a folio case. So you could grab yourself one. So protection is very important as far as the tablet is concerned. So Anchor goes ahead to give you all the strength it takes. So the tablet is very stable, as you can see. Connectivity is so easy once you are using the Bluetooth setup. So everything is just on the go. You just have to attach it. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like and comment your thoughts about this video in the comment section. If you're not yet subscribe right now for more important videos and also tricks. So this is all with this simple keyboard. Either way, see you in the next video. Bye.